In this video, I'll show you how to get free stuff on Temu in 2025. Make sure you watch to the end, so I'll show you guys step by step on how to get free stuff on Temu. Alright, so first thing you want to do is click on You, then go to Win Rewards. Once you're here, click anything you want. I'm gonna just click Claim Free Items. Once you're here, it's gonna bring you to this page. Just exit out. Just exit out all of the stuff. Alright, now you want to pick your stuff. So I'm gonna just pick I'm gonna pick this keyboard and mouse. Pick now, click continue, exit out. Then I'm gonna pick let's just go with this RGB light. Alright, now click continue. Alright, now just wait for it to load. Now click water. It's basically like a mini game. Basically, every invite you get water. So once you get water, you can water the plant. Once you get like all the plants water, you can get free gifts. So click water again. Alright, basically once you watered all your plants, you need like 5 new invites from a different people, like your friends or family. And once you get five invites, you can just turn it into water and keep watering these plants till it grows to like 100%. Right now it's at like 28. So once you're there, you're gonna have all the way till here. Now you can claim your free gift.